Welcome, little chefs. Are you ready for a kitchen adventure? First things first, we're going to wash our hands and then I'll tell you what we're making today. Today, we are making smashed potatoes. You may have heard of mashed potatoes, boiled potatoes, French fried potatoes, curly fried potatoes, scalloped potatoes, Hasselback potatoes. Oh, but have you heard of smashed potatoes? Smashed potatoes are great because they're crispy on the outside, but soft and creamy on the inside. And you get to smash them, which is pretty fun. But the best part of this recipe is that we get to be texture detectives. What that means is we are going to start out with some hard potatoes, and then we're going to boil them, which is going to make them soft. And then we're going to put them in the oven, which is going to make them crispy. So we get to watch how our food changes, specifically the texture. And you can decide which part of the texture you like the best. Our first ingredient, obviously, is going to be potatoes. I have small yellow potatoes here. I'm going to wash the skins really well because we're eating the peel in this recipe. And then we're going... Hello? Oh, hola, Pedro, ¿cómo está? Sí, claro, claro. Ok, wow, no me diga. Sí, les voy a decir. Excelente. Ok, nos hablamos después. Un beso, chao. That was Pedro the potato. And he has a food fun fact for you. Do you know why we were speaking Spanish? It's because potatoes originally come from a place we now call Peru. People there have been growing potatoes for more than 7,000 years. And when potatoes first came to Europe, some people called them earth apples. Why? Because they grew underground instead of on trees. And did you know potatoes are not just brown? They can be yellow, red, purple, blue, even pink. Some potatoes are purple on the inside and on the outside. And here's an out-of-this-world potato fact. Potatoes have been grown in space on the International Space Station. This was so astronauts could learn how to grow food on long missions. That's pretty crazy. Okay, let's go back to Earth, please. So basically, potatoes are rainbow space vegetables. That's pretty cool. All right, we have our potatoes all washed, covered with water. We are now going to start to boil this, and we're going to add some salt into our pot. Like 2 handfuls, fistfuls, 2 small fistfuls. Time to boil. Sometimes the waiting part is really boring. Okay, time for our fork test. If it can pierce the potato easily, then it is done being boiled. Oh, look at that. Ooh, steamy. Potato has been pierced by a fork. All right, look at these little guys, all soft and boiled now. Here comes the best part, the smashing. Here we have our baking sheet. We're going to put all these little guys on there. Woo! These have cooled for like 3 to 4 minutes. It's best if they cool a little bit because the steam is going to keep coming off. And the more moisture that evaporates from your food, the crispier it's going to get in the oven. And we want these potatoes crispy. All right, let's smash. You guys, these are looking really smushed. Just wait until we put them in the oven and watch how crispy they get. Before we do that, we're going to sprinkle a little seasoning salt on top and some olive oil for extra crispiness. All right, let's go. This is salt, garlic powder, a little paprika, just for some extra yumminess. All right, step 3, roast in the oven. So more cooking for our potatoes means more waiting. But while we wait, we can make a yummy dipping sauce for our smashed potatoes. And it's super easy to put together. We're just going to take a little bit of sour cream. And when I say a little bit, I mean like a lot. And then mayonnaise. This is going to make it taste even more delicious. We'll add like a tablespoon, a squeeze of lemon juice, and some of our seasoning salt from before, which most importantly has the garlic powder, because garlic powder is going to make it taste super yummy. Now you can leave it like this, or you can kick it up a notch. We have some dill. And what's the big dill, you ask? Well, dill is an herb. Herbs add extra flavor and fragrance to our food and extra color. So if you're trying to eat the colors of the rainbow every day, this right here is going to add some green. More waiting. Still waiting. All these potatoes. Now this dipping sauce is one of my favorites, but you could also dip your smashed potatoes in ketchup, which would be really... Oh, I bet this is Pedro again. Hola. Oh, gosh. No, I'm not doing this today. No, fruit was last time. Not today. No, not today. I have no idea why Angry Orange just called. I thought it was going to be Pedro the potato. Smashed potatoes are done. Let's take them out of the oven. Ow, 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 ow. They are so flat, they're like little potato pancakes. Ooh, nice job today. These look amazing. These are the flattest, crispiest little potatoes ever. And when you dip them in the sauce and take a bite, these taste so good. Dare I say, better than a French fry. I don't know if I would go that far. You will have to try them. Do you want to know another potato food fun fact? In Peru, National Potato Day is on May 30th. So I think by the time I'm putting this video out on YouTube, you can get all the recipes, all the ingredients, and make them for National Potato Day and celebrate the magic of the potato. You can print out a version of this recipe and a little chef recipe journal on my website here, and you can follow along for more kitchen adventures. So good. Today, we cooked together. We watched our food change, and we learned something new. You are a chef when you are curious, you're a chef when you try, and you are always welcome here. See you next time, little chefs. Time to eat more potatoes. I never get tired of potatoes, like ever. Personally, I love celebrating the magic of the potato. Potatoes are great because they are crispy on the outside. And here's Ari. Can I help you? Okay. Ari, go lay down. I'm talking here. Smashed potatoes are great because they are crispy on the outside, but soft and creamy on the inside. And that's it. I can't think of why else they're great. They're just great. And ow, 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 ow. Hot, hot. Dill, dill, dill. Dill is kind of a big deal. Dill. Oh! Pedro, your eye fell off.